This month we're going to be doing a little something different instead of the normal live builds we do for the FANHOME Batmobile. I'm just going to be able to just do an unboxing. Unfortunately, I'm not going to be able to build anything for a little while because I had carpal tunnel surgery, and I am still healing from that, so I can't really use my left hand very much. But we'll go over through what came in this set this shipment from FANHOME, and we got the kits 15 through 20, and we're actually getting chassis pieces this time, which is really exciting. We got book 15, episode 15 of the series, Joker Goes to School, aired March 2nd, 1966. We get this is a review of the episode, a breakdown of what happens in that episode. Batman Break Comics, Black Mirror, 2011. Break down those stories. We got classic Batman stories, Forward Superman, World's Finest, and this is what comes in this kit. We get the front chassis, fuel line, and a screwdriver in this set. Instructions what we need to do here with fuel line goes into the side of the engine that we've been putting together in the last few episodes. The front chassis comes with a beam attached during shipping and removes 2 screws that hold it compared to the front chassis. And this is basically the stabilization, keeps it from getting bent. Let's look at that kit. It is the biggest piece of this set. From this delivery, we've got full front forks, the mentioned port. Love one that's had started with the chassis. We can build up from there. A lot of parts in this shipment here are chassis and suspension parts. It's great. I'm going to Porter did that part. That is a big frame. That's just the front part of the chassis, and it is quite large. This car is going to be huge. Book 16. Whether it's to be going over episode 16 of the original series, March 3rd, 1966. He meets his match, the Grizzly Ghoul. That's about Robin dies at dawn. Yeah. 1953 Batman. All about its classic stories of Batman. Now this set we get front chassis rear frame, front chassis rear crossmember, some tweezers, which always handy to have, and different various size screws. The instructions of what we're going to do is start building the cross member of the frame. And that is what it'll look like when we get to that point. And here is that kit. There's tweezers, cross members, and screws. On to the 17. Episode 17. True or False Face. March 9th, 1966. False Face is a criminal who plans to big. He's the master of disguise. His own face is hidden by a sinister, immovable mask, and he plans to destroy Batman. You got the comic book series, Gothic. Crossover series like the Dark runs along several issues. Written by Grant Morrison, 1990. A lot of good stories in the 90s, and a lot of people try to make up the 90s were not good for comics, and it's a total lie. 1954 Batman. World's finest stuff where the crosses men working together. This kit we get flank cross member, lower left suspension arm, and bumper. It's gotta be like the gun for like a bumper mount or the bump stop of the suspension. Yeah, it's the bump stop. I don't know why they call it a bumper. It should be called a bump stop. 30-min screws, the holes. You're going to have to do some install the screws, take them back out, so chase the threads. And that's where we end up on this kit. That is number 17. And then here, got your lower suspension arm, your bump stop, and you cross it to the crosser member that it installs to. Issue 18. Episode 18. Episode 18, Holy Rat Race. That aired March 10th, 1966. Batman is determined to foil Falseface to the villainous plan so he can get help from the sprouting source. Very definitive story here. Death in the Family, 1988. And it's the death of Robin. Jason Todd, when he was killed by the Joker. 1955, here are Batman stories from the Batman's best friend. It's like artwork from the cartoon series, The Brave and the Bold. It was a great series. And at first, I didn't think I'd like it, but really good show. Well, with this kit, we're getting the engine mount bracket, front lower right suspension arm, and bump stop. The bump stop. I know, get a little everything coming together here now. This is a really cool crossover bracket. We got the other control arm. We're connected to the previous control arm forward. We got the everything. Two different control arms coming together. Mounting this to the chassis, and we're going to mount the engine. Hopefully, I'll be able to build this kit next few weeks before I have this on surgery done on this end. This is looking good. We're going to end up with the engine sitting in the chassis. Looking forward to that. That is kit number 18. That is this one here. Sorry. Kit number 19. Episode 19. The Perfect Crime, March 16th, 1966. As you can tell, Catwoman's going to be the villain in this one, and this is when Julie Newmar is playing Catwoman. There was 3 actresses that played Catwoman in the 1966 series. Comic book series in 1969, One Bullet Too Many. Got 1956 Batman. And with this kit, we're going to be doing front chassis, front left cover, front chassis left rear cover, front chassis right cover, front chassis right rear cover, stabilizer bracket, stabilizer link bolt, and it's sway bar. Either inlates. Okay, good. We're going to be covering up those holes in the fretting that's visible from the upper parts. Close it up to make a solid frame. Looks good. Install on both sides. And sway bar inlates onto the lower control arms. Then you install the sway bar. And then put the sway bar brackets in. But it's this kit here. need the way bar, frame covers, and way bar brackets, inlays. Yeah, cool. Last book for this set. For Tweety, episode 20, Better Luck Next Time. Catwoman discovered the location of a pirate treasure and wants to do it all for herself, but she reckons without the wiles of Batman and the Boy Wonder. Comic book series Bloodsport, 1992. We got 1957 Batman. That is, heard about the Brave and Bold cartoon series. Definitely was, these older Detective Comics was definitely the inspiration of the artwork in the Brave and the Bold. And it looks just like it. In this kit, we get shock absorber rod, shock absorber coil spring, shock absorber mount, shaft, front left suspension arm, steering spindle arm, lower arm ball, upper arm ball, various different sorts of screws. Here we have all that. It's to number 20. The upper control arm, springs, shock absorber rod. Very cool. And it'll go through the build process. Sitting in the arm bars. Here's assembling the upper suspension arm, up the controller mount, take your rod, screws. It's really starting to come together now. Getting the front suspension. That looks great. But spindle, excellent. Looking forward to where we're going to build this kit. You know, this is a little departure from our normal live stream. We've been building these kits, but thanks for taking the time to watch the video. And then let's thank FANHOME for sending this kit for me to check out. And these have been fun builds. The learning process. I've never got to build one of these giant scale models before, and it's been very fun. Anyway, thank you for taking the time to watch the video. Remember, like, share, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch y'all next time.